Telling y'all, the proof is in the pudding. I'm showing y'all real-time analytics. Make sure y'all take advantage of all these features. What's poppin' YouTube? It is your girl Kyla back with another freaking video, and today you guys, I'm gonna be getting into how much I make as a small YouTuber slash micro influencer.
Yeah.
Okay y'all, so y'all know I do not gatekeep, so I'm gonna tell y'all the real deal. And if y'all have not watched my other video about me talking about the requirements, how you get monetized and all that, pause this video, watch that one, and come back. Basically that video outlines how I got monetized, how much my first YouTube check was, going into all the Google Adsense stuff. So if y'all want to see that, make sure y'all go watch that video before this one. This one's kind of more of an update. I've been monetized for about, it'll be 2 years in February. Very excited. I know 2025 is gonna bring a lot of stuff, a lot of success, a lot of content growth, and I'm very excited. And yes y'all, it is 2025 and I still have my Christmas tree up and it's still lit up. I do not care. It is literally only January 4th. I still turn the lights on too, but let's not talk about that either because my little tree is cute. So before I get into this video, I am going to briefly go over the monetization requirements, because if you don't get to those requirements, then you can't get to any other part of what I'm about to say. You have to have 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers. Both. Not one or the other, but both. You have to have both of those in order for YouTube to even consider you for their YouTube partnership program, or YPP as they call it. I may refer to it as that in the video just because I don't want to keep saying YouTube partnership program, because that's a lot. I'm just gonna say YPP and y'all gonna know what I'm talking about. So a lot of people in my other video that I posted said that the main thing that was holding them back from getting monetized was the watch time hours. And honestly, that was the thing that kept me from getting monetized sooner. It literally took me 3 years. I had my channel for 3 years before I got monetized. So definitely don't be discouraged if you have not reached that goal yet. It definitely takes time, y'all, and effort, and you just gotta keep going and keep being consistent. Consistency is key. Y'all just gotta remember that. Consistency is key, because if you don't consistently put out videos, your audience is not going to see you in different forms, in different video styles, and that's what you want. You want to build new audiences with different people. Of course, it's important to have a niche and target a specific audience, but there are a million people who want to watch fashion videos, who want to watch lifestyle videos, gaming, cooking, travel. So your niche is not like 10 people that you're reaching out for. Like, it's millions of people in this world that want to watch so many different types of videos. Definitely don't think that just because you're in one niche that you can't branch out and do other things, because those other things could be what people want to see you do more. You just haven't tried it yet. Definitely don't be afraid to step out your comfort zone. My most popular video on my channel right now, I didn't even think that video was going to get over 1,000 views, honestly. I literally just put out that video for educational purposes to teach people how to put boho hair in knotless braids so that they can save money. Y'all know these Atlanta hairstylists, wherever you're from, them stylists probably charge y'all an arm and a leg too. Yeah, I just wanted to help the girlies out and let them know, like, hey, you can do this at home. I'm saying all that to say, like, branch out, be consistent, do what you gotta do to get your watch time hours up, and you'll be straight. Like I said, I don't want to gatekeep anything from y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly how much I make every month from YouTube. Little disclaimer, y'all, I am not as consistent on YouTube as I used to be. I try to put out at least 1 video a month, but sometimes that didn't work out. So I was not making as much money as I would have liked, but I definitely am grateful for every single dime that came into my bank account from just my content, because in 2025 we're getting paid off content, y'all. I'm just saying, and we gonna clap that tea. No matter if it's just a small amount, if you're getting paid $100 or $1,000, like, any money is money off of content. And I always tell people, getting paid off your content is one of the best ways of getting passive income. Or if you want that to be your main source of income, okay, period. But I use YouTube as a source of passive income now, and I'm not saying that like I put out videos just to make money, because of course it's not like that. And if you're just doing it for the money, because honestly, you need to be putting out videos because you're passionate about editing, you're passionate about what you're putting out, and that's going to make it easier for you. When I started my channel, at the time, I was not putting out videos simply to make money. I was doing it because I really wanted to have a YouTube channel, and I thought I had a specific niche that people would want to see. And now I'm getting paid for it, and I thank God that he opened up that door for me, because I literally get paid off of my YouTube videos. Like, y'all watching me right now, it's just crazy. Like, y'all want to see what I have to say, and like, that just proves people want to see what you have to put out there. Don't be afraid to put it out there. But okay, y'all, I've been talking long enough. Let me get into the analytics of this video. My most popular video on my channel right now is at almost 200K, which is period. Love that, love that. So I'm gonna go into my channel and I'm going to go to that video. Oh my gosh, y'all, oh my gosh, I have to screen record this so I can show y'all. It literally hit 200K today. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Like I said, I'm not gatekeeping nothing. Y'all are gonna see exactly what I'm seeing right now. I'm gonna put it over here so y'all can see it. But yeah, this is my, oh my gosh, I really like that. 200K is crazy. Like, this is my first video to ever hit 200K, so I'm kind of just like, wow, like, okay. Anyway, this is a video of me revamping my old knotless braids. Literally got 200,000 views. If y'all are thinking about putting out videos that you think people are not going to want to see, put it out anyway, because this is that video for me. I put this video out in March of 2023, so it is almost 2 years ago now. These are my analytics. This video has gotten 200,000 views. It has gotten me about 8.2 thousand watch time hours, which is insane because I was struggling at one point to even reach the 4,000 watch time hours. But for this to be double that off of one video is insane. So yeah, let's get into the main part of this video. So as y'all can see, I have gotten 200,049 views. So I actually reached over 200,000 views. I gained 397 subscribers from this one video, which is wow. And I gained $2,000 off of this one video. Period. So let me go a little bit more in depth about this. So as y'all saw, that watch time was at 8.2 thousand, which means that people are not only clicking on my video, but they're staying and watching it pretty much until the end. So that watch time is doing its job. See, the longer people watch your video, the more money you are going to make from them, because the longer they're watching, the more likely it is that they're going to watch an ad as well. And that is how you make your money through YouTube. You make your money through those ads. And I go in depth about how you can make money off the different types of ads, what the different types of ads are, and all that stuff in my other video. I don't want to be repetitive, so if y'all want to see that, hit that video up. I'm also gonna show y'all the analytics for my second most popular video, and that video is at 91,000 views right now, but I'm gonna show y'all how drastic the difference is in watch time hours and in revenue. So this video is how to start a nail business, startup costs, what you need, blah blah blah. I put this video out about 4.5 years ago in 2020. This video is at 91,000 views. It only has 3.5 thousand watch time hours, so it's a lot, but definitely not as much as the other video. And as y'all can see, this video only made me $185.31. Drastic change from $2,000 in the other video. This video gained me 927 subscribers. So even if a video is not making you as much money, it can most definitely still be benefiting your channel in other ways. This video brought in almost 1,000 subscribers alone. I want y'all to see that there's like a tug of war. Like, you can gain a lot more subscribers from a video, but not necessarily make as much money. Still a good exchange, but you know. So don't be discouraged if your video is getting like way more subscribers than watch time hours, because you know, both of them are very beneficial. Hold on 1 second, I'm finna get it right. Okay, so I hope that was helpful so that you guys can see that views doesn't automatically equal money. It can if people are watching your video all the way through, watching those ads. So please watch these ads. Watch YouTubers ads, y'all. That's how they make their money. Just saying. But I wanted y'all to pretty much see the comparison between my video that brought me the highest amount of subscribers and the video that brought me the most money. They're not the same video. I want to also go into showing you guys how much I make on a monthly basis. We're going to start from the top when I first got monetized. I'm going to also share my screen and show you guys, but this was starting in February of 2023, so it's almost 2 years now. So what a lot of people do not know is that you have to reach $100 threshold every month. Let's say for the month of January, I have to make at least $100 off YouTube in order for them to put it into my bank account. Once you start putting out consistent videos and you're making money, it's easier to reach that threshold. But I did not reach that threshold realistically for about four or 5 months. So I want to be real with y'all. You know, I'm not like a super famous YouTuber. I'm not super known. I have about like 3.5K subscribers now. So I'm not making like a whole bunch of money. I am making money and I'm grateful. And I'll show y'all how much I made in total. But these are my numbers from every month so far. So starting in February, I made $5.69. I got monetized at the end of February. And then as y'all can see, gradually as the year came along, I got my first YouTube check in August because I reached the $100 threshold. I made it to $163. And then I got my second YouTube check in October with $169. As time progressed and I was putting out more videos and people were watching my videos longer and there were ads being placed in all of my videos now, I was making more money and I was starting to consistently get checks every single month because I was reaching that threshold. So as you can see, like December, that was my highest check that I got in that whole year, almost 200. And then February, March, April, May, May, June, July, September, October, like all of those months following, I reached the threshold every time and I was making at least $100. So I was very grateful to be having YouTube checks coming in. I was very happy to be a YouTube partner, and YKP was so easy to navigate and everything, getting monetized in the process. AdSense is super easy to navigate. This is Google Adsense that I just showed you guys. It can show you all the different payments that you've ever gotten from YouTube all in one place. So now I'm gonna go into YouTube Studio, and they have a tab for creators who are monetized called Analytics, and I'm just gonna go into my estimated revenue. So I'm gonna show you guys in my entire time of making YouTube videos how much I've made to this day. I have made $2,670.60. So not bad at all. As y'all just saw, I got monetized in February of 2023. I actually haven't looked at that in a while, and that's actually crazy because I'm not going to try and downplay my growth on my channel. Making almost $3,000 off of content is just amazing because that is just money that I didn't have to have. You guys have helped me get monetized, and I'm just so grateful because there are some people who are struggling to even get monetized. So I'm grateful to be in a position where I am, and to be able to give guidance to people and show people like the process and how to get there. If y'all would have told me when I made my little YouTube channel back in January of 2020, if y'all would have told me that I would have been making money, I would have been like, what are you talking about? I want to show people my little fashion videos and my little beauty videos in my dorm room, and now I'm literally making thousands of dollars off my content. Like, that is such a blessing. I just want to take a moment to thank God because I wouldn't be here without you. Thank you so much. So I also want to share a way to bring new audiences to your channel, and that's by utilizing YouTube's newest feature, Shorts. Now, Shorts are like the Reels and TikToks of YouTube, but make sure you guys utilize them because they can be the next step to your growth on your channel. Shorts have definitely helped my channel grow so much, not even as far as bringing new people to my channel, but also gaining me so many new subscribers. And if y'all don't believe me, let's go into YouTube. So I'm going to screen record and show you guys. There is a Shorts tab over here, and as y'all can see, my most popular short is at 30,000, which is crazy. Like, literally off of a short video, like 15-second video. 11,000, 11,000, 10,000, 9, 8, 5, all these videos, thousands of views. I'm also going to show you guys how they can grow your channel. So let's go into Studio. So here is my most popular short. It is at 30,000 views, and it has gained me $3.11. I know that's not a lot, but that's a lot for a video that's like 10 seconds long. So shorts are also able to be monetized, so that's even better because your shorts can make you money as well. So I'm gonna go into my analytics on this video, and I'm gonna show y'all that this video has not only added 30,000 views to my channel, and yes, they count towards your view count, it also gained me 60 subscribers. Let's go into the next one. This one is at 11,000. This is actually my #1 short that I posted in the past 2 months. This one, 54 subscribers, $3.50. I'm telling y'all, the proof is in the pudding. I'm showing y'all real-time analytics. Make sure y'all take advantage of all these features because when I started my channel, shorts weren't even a thing. This is like a totally new thing that has helped me. Definitely take advantage of these, especially if you are a smaller YouTuber. And a little trick that I use, I actually recycle all of my content. So if I post a TikTok, I'm literally gonna post it as a reel as well, and I'm gonna post it as a YouTube short. A lot of these videos on my YouTube shorts are recycled TikToks and reels. Just post them, literally just post them. Okay y'all, but that is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I am so grateful for everyone who has came along with me on this journey and brought me to where I am, brought me to be monetized, because it would not be without y'all and the Lord above. So thank y'all so much for supporting me and being there for me. If y'all have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave a comment down below. And if y'all want to see me do any more videos pertaining to YouTube monetization, anything like that, make sure y'all let me know in the comment section below. And make sure y'all leave a like on this video and subscribe to Kiss Gang. I want to leave y'all with some kind, encouraging words. Make sure y'all stay encouraged, stay consistent. I know it can be hard sometimes because sometimes you don't get the results that you want from your videos that you put out. I've been there. But don't burn out. Please don't burn out. Stay consistent. You're gonna get there one day, I promise you. As long as you keep working and this is something that you really want, keep going. If this is what you really want, keep going because nobody is gonna do it for you. You gotta do it for yourself, and it takes hard work. It does, and it takes discipline. I'll dream big. It's okay to have like small goals that you reach, but make sure y'all reach for the stars. If y'all want to make it to 1 million subscribers, make that your goal. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't do it. Please remember that everybody's journey is different. Everyone is not gonna cross the finish line at the same time. God's timing is the right timing, so just you know, take it slow. If you haven't reached all your goals yet, it is okay. Look, y'all, it literally took me 3 years, 3 long years to get monetized. So please don't be discouraged, because I was right there with y'all feeling like I should just give up. I'm like, why is this video not getting enough views? Why is this thumbnail not doing as well as I like? Like, no, don't even. Y'all saw my most popular video on my channel, literally didn't even think it was gonna get over 1,000 views, and now it's the most popular video on my channel by far. So y'all, stay up, stay consistent, and stay encouraged. Thank y'all for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys subscribe to Kiss Gang, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Stay plugged in, turn on the post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love y'all. And I know I just casually brushed over this, but this month is my 5-year anniversary on YouTube. That's crazy.